Do you enjoy reading on the go but dislike carrying around bulky devices? Meet the Boox Palma 2, a pocket-sized ink reader that offers the portability and flexibility of a phone without the usual distractions. But is it worth its $280 price tag? Let's find out. At first glance, the Boox Palma 2 looks nearly identical to its predecessor, the Palma 1, featuring the same thick bezels, rounded sides, and textured back cover for better grip. Weighing just 170 grams, it feels comfortable in hand and can easily slip into your pocket, making it a great travel companion. While it doesn't feature dedicated page turn buttons on the front like some e-readers, it does have a volume rocker on the side, which can be configured to function as page turn buttons in most reading apps, though not all. The design may not be as sleek as modern smartphones, but it's practical and can even be used with gloves. The thoughtfully placed volume buttons enhance reading comfort, and the power button now doubles as a fingerprint reader for added convenience. There's also a smart button that can be customized for different actions, although it would have been useful if it could toggle the flashlight. The Palma 2 comes with two speakers, one at the bottom and one at the top, although they don't work in stereo mode, with only the bottom speaker producing louder sound. The device also features two microphones, likely for noise cancellation, giving it a phone-like feel. However, it lacks cellular connectivity, a feature that would have made this device even more versatile. On the back, there's a 16-megapixel camera, and unlike its predecessor, the Palma 2 includes a dedicated camera app. While the camera is useful for close-up shots and document scanning, its ability to focus on distant objects is limited, potentially an intentional design choice. With 128 gigabytes of internal storage, 96 gigabytes usable, and a microSD card slot, the Palma 2 offers plenty of storage space. The switch to Android 13 requires more storage, but it future-proofs the device for app compatibility. You can install apps via the Google Play Store or side-load app files, offering a great deal of flexibility. Powered by the Snapdragon 690 octa-core processor and 6 GB of RAM, the Palma 2 is fast enough for typical ink tasks. The user interface is well optimized for the smaller, narrower screen, with Android 13 providing a more polished look. There are for e-ink modes ranging from high-quality HD to ultra-fast refresh rates, which even support video playback. However, users may need to experiment with these modes for the best experience with certain apps. Boox has pre-installed a dedicated reading app, but one of the key advantages of Android ink devices like the Palma 2 is the ability to install other reading apps, such as Kindle or Kobo. This flexibility allows users to tailor the device to their reading habits. The Palma 2 features a 6.13-inch e-ink display with a 2:1 aspect ratio, slightly narrower than other e-readers, which may take some getting used to. However, the 300 ppi e-ink Carta 1200 screen ensures excellent readability, even in low light conditions, thanks to the built-in front light. While the screen is slightly less scratch-resistant than its predecessor, a screen protector is recommended for added protection. Ghosting, where faint traces of previous content remain visible, can occur particularly with faster refresh modes or image-heavy content, but it's not too noticeable when reading text. In terms of battery life, the 3,950 mAh battery offers decent run times, lasting up to 33 hours with moderate use. More intensive tasks, like video playback, will reduce battery life, but for typical e-reader use, the battery performs well. To sum up, the Boox Palma 2 stands out as one of the most portable and capable e-readers in its segment. Its upgrade to Android 13 ensures future app compatibility, and its compact design, powerful hardware, and thoughtful button placement make it a compelling choice for those who value portability and flexibility. However, its price remains relatively high, and the lack of cellular connectivity may be a drawback for some users. If you prioritize a compact design and customizable reading experience, the Palma 2 is worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.